Now it's time to Ask an Expert, where we tackle everyday home improvement topics to help you better understand your home. Today, as always, I'm with Greg Cantor, our resident expert from Murray Lampert Design, Build, Remodel, and Bob Riley's here from We Care Plumbing, Heating, and Air.
Thanks for having me.
Oh, it's great to have you on. We love having you on as a guest. So, Greg, there's a lot of savings programs out there and rebates, but we're talking about one specific program today. What is it?
It's called the SDG&E QI program, and it's for quality installations, specifically HVAC systems, right, where you get rebates.
So it's a rebate program for HVAC heating and air systems.
It's for heating and air. You can't get it. It's not a rebate just for the heater itself. You have to go ahead and do the air conditioning side of it because that is your biggest energy pig in your house.
Oh, okay, so SDG&E has created this, and it's to incentivize people to make their systems more energy efficient.
Correct.
So there's savings that comes on that, but what are the rebate possibilities? Well,
there's different tiers. There's different SEER ratings. There's 15 SEER, 16 SEER, 17 SEER, and up, which is kind of like a gas efficiency in your car. The higher the SEER, the better efficiency you're getting. And there's a 3-tier table of how much you're going to get back per each tier. So if you have a 15 SEER, you get this much back per ton on up. But in order to determine the tonnage of the system, which is the size of the system, you have to do a heat load calc, which is a manual J, so we know exactly what size system. I know, a little too much on that one.
What's that? Heat load calc?
Well, that measures the efficiency of a home because there's different factors that enter into that, like windows and insulation.
Correct.
And those kind of things.
So measuring how efficient the system is.
Right.
Okay. So are we talking about savings in hundreds of dollars and
Oh, no, definitely, and hundreds of dollars. I mean,
Hundreds
it can actually move up into the low tier of $1,000.
Wow.
But that's on the high efficiency and biggest system, but you just can't put the biggest system in your house. You don't want to oversize your system. You get no efficiency then.
And don't forget, you're saving on your monthly energy bill
Correct.
as well.
I was going to bring that up. The savings that you get on your bill, and who likes paying a high energy
Right.
bill? Nobody. So
and that's the huge part of it.
So this is specifically for HVAC. Are there other programs within the SDG&E umbrella?
Yes, there is. There is water heaters, there's thermostats, there is washers and dryers and stuff like that. And you can actually double dip. You can actually go change out your heating and air conditioning system, and then also go ahead and do the thermostat one and do the water heater, and you can actually get all those different rebates.
So all kinds of savings, and they all add efficiency.
Right.
Greg, there's also other programs you can double dip into outside of SDG&E, so you can get savings and rebates there too.
There's the Energy Upgrade California program as well, but I really recommend hiring a company that knows how to navigate through the programs, not only doing the proper installation, but filing the paperwork so that you're successful getting those rebates.
Yeah, Bob, to that point, if somebody calls, will you walk them through this and answer all their questions?
Oh, definitely. I'll walk them through. Every question they have, we can get something set up. And then also, like he was saying on the paperwork is huge. We take care of all that. The homeowner doesn't have the burden.
Marvelous. Call Bob and We Care to answer all of your questions about this particular program. And if you want more information, visit ApprovedHomePros.com in our Ask an Expert section.